send SMS, even 3210 of Nokia, you can still use it. And even the, sleekest gadget today, if you have iPad 2, basta nakaka-connect sa internet, you can transact with V-Mobile. We will improve your customer experience using the loading system, online or via SMS. And it's 24/7. And if you still need help, pagkakailangan nyo, it's still 24/7. We will maintain the one phone, one SIM, one wallet banner. And you can transfer airtime credits to your friends, relatives. Remember, I didn't say retail, although you can do that still. You can transfer anytime and earn from this business. At an average, we will still offer 10% for all the prepaid products. Of course, other prepaid products, mas maganda yung margin. And we're now introducing more products through we're now developing our online shopping, an online mall. And we will call this V-Mall. V-Mall, napaka-ising, pag inisip nyo pa V-Mall, kasi virtual mall. It's mall without walls. So, I know that since a lot of us are, using Facebook, alam ko ayaw nyo nang umalis minsan sa harap ng Facebook, baka gusto nyo gawin yung shopping. So we thought combining online shopping, online auction, and online group buying is a good idea to start V-Mall. So it's a combination of all things that you know. You know Groupon and Sogo, Bill Grocer, you probably have heard of Bids, Piso Bid, etc. These are online auction sites. And what we want to do is to combine online shopping, auction, and group buying in one offering. We roll it into one and call it V-Mall. That's what we're doing for 2012. So, through the V-Mall, we are offering different products. Now, to join MyTurf, there are two simple and easy sign-up options. You go to a Technopreneur, you can join MyTurf. So, kumusta po yung mga Techno user cards niya? Buhay pa ba? I realize the reason why it's not moving. We have in our database millions of cards, unregistered. Millions. And the reason why it's not moving is because, again, it boils down to customer experience. Some of you are afraid na kapag binenta yung card or pinamigay niyo yung card, mumurahin lang kayo ng gustong mag-retail. Not until solution of Smart in helping us, come up with our own SIM to address the main issues in retailing, but still, I'm not encouraging you to retail because that will not make your life wealthy. Now, I'm saying, yung produkto natin, hindi lang po yung load ang ipapasok natin. Marami pa because of V-Mobile. And now, you can join through MyTurf by selling your cards. Now, yung ibang merong cards ngayon, magkakaroon ng chance to distribute the cards. What will happen if you sell your cards? Of course, your investment of 3,988 will return, di ba? More than that. Because if you sell 20 cards, that's 5,000 pesos, correct? And not only that, may question sa akin, what if nabenta ko lahat ng 20 cards, can I still buy more cards? Because I want more retailers, techno users joining my consumer network. The answer is no. But here's the tip. Please use some of the cards to register yourself again as techno user. Because each techno user can sign up or enroll 10 more techno users. And that's the second option. Instead of going to a technopreneur to sign up, you go to a techno user to become a techno user. In short, pupuntahan niyo yung techno user na para maging techno user. And a techno user is capable of enrolling up to 10 techno users. After that, wala na. So, anong ginagawa ng ibang techno user that is very successful in this program? Some of them, pag nasa ika-8 na or ika-9, they use the 9th or the 10th account or registration to register yung sarili nila ulit. So they will have 10 fresh registration. Ganun ang nangyayari. But please note, if you have multiple accounts under the system, you have to take care and maintain of those accounts para lang meron kayong earning. Kasi pag masyadong maraming account, baka mahirapan kayo i-manage. You have to make sure you can manage the accounts. So that's the way to sign up under MyTurf. And MyTurf lets you earn in two ways. Very easy. The first is when you enroll other to the MyTurf program. And secondly, when everyone buys MyTurf products through LoadingStream. Again, when you sell subscription. Second, when they consume or buy products. Di ba yung pa rin yung ginagawa natin, binibenta natin product. Let me explain. So the first way to earn is through what we call subscription sales override. This is very easy. For a techno user, if you sign up or enroll another techno user, you will earn 50 pesos. So, let's say for example, I have a kapitbahay and he wants to join, magbabayad siya sa akin ng 300 pesos. I should have a load wallet balance, because if I don't have load wallet balance, can I sign up somebody? No. So, with the load wallet balance, the prospect, the enrollee, will pay me 300 pesos, correct?
Yes.
My wallet gets deducted 250 pesos. How much did I earn? 50. Correct. So, 300, 250 na bawas sa load wallet ko. That's instant. Now, the person na sinign up ko just recently would like to do the same, duplicate the same effort, right? Find another techno user or prepaid user. So, magsa-sign up siya. Who will earn the 50 pesos? Siya. But in turn, I will earn 20 pesos from his effort. And that is up to 8 generation. When I talk about the person I signed, that person is my first level with respect to my position. But the person whom he enrolled will be my second level or second generation. And it goes down until the 8, I will earn 20 pesos. But here's the good news. If you're a technopreneur, instantly you will earn 20 pesos from each enrollment, and that is up to infinity. Alright? Up to infinity. Now, let me just clarify something. If you're a technopreneur and you have a downline technopreneur in MyLX, and the technopreneur signs up techno user, and the techno user signs up another techno user, you don't get the 20 from that sign up unless it is within the 8-level network. So which means, if I have a technopreneur downline on my first level, and the technopreneur sells the techno user card, and the techno user gets another techno user, I will earn from that, but only 20 pesos. But for technopreneur who signs up a techno user and getting another techno user, not just I'm earning 20 pesos, I'm earning additional 20 pesos. So each time I sign up the techno user under my network, if I'm a technopreneur, I earn 40 pesos up to 8 level. Beyond the 8 level, the 9th, up to infinity, I get 20 pesos. That's how it works. Claro?
Claro.
Nasaan si Mr. Ingo Hansen? By the way, I'd like to thank that guy, and I'd like to thank Ms. Lapis for allowing us to use the IBC Mandaluyong office.